Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram login error. So if you are facing this type of the problem on your login, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to tap a while on the Instagram and go to the info from here. Once you will do it, after that you have to click on the storage and the cache, and from here you can simply clear your cache and try to log into your Instagram. Moreover, if this problem will not solve by this, simply you have to click on the Play Store and you have to search for the Instagram and you will see an update is here. So simply click on this update button, and once your Instagram will be updated, try to log into your account. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.